Today's video is going to be about our firewood operation. Basically how firewood comes in our yard and goes out of our yard, more or less. We have a tractor trailer. You can see the trailer over there in the distance. It's a tri-axle trailer. Here's our supply of logs. And then they go from here over to our firewood processor. We have a versatile tractor with a log loader. We have an operator hauling the wood over to this 30-foot table right here, which goes inside our building. Comes in the building here to our firewood processor. It's a multitek 2025 slasher blade unit. Cab model, stationary unit. It's not mobile. It's obviously set up inside a building. And the wood comes out of the building, goes up a 30-foot multitek conveyor, across a cleaning machine, and then up another 30-foot conveyor into one of our 4 delivery trucks. This one in particular holds 6 full cords of firewood, has dividers. We can do 3 deliveries on the same trip. Here's our other 3 trucks, another 6-cord unit, a 4-cord Ken North W900 behind it, and then a small little Peterbilt single axle which holds 3-cord. All of these trucks in which have dividers to do multiple deliveries on the same trip. And then you'll see in the background our 48-foot flatbed that we haul pallet wood. We do 1/3 cords of pallet firewood. So for the wood that goes on pallets, we load this small little F450. It holds about 1.5 cords if it's rounded up. And we bring it over to our building. Here inside the building, we dump the 450 and approximately 1.5 cords at a time, and dumped on a cement pad here, and in which at that point we load a hopper with a mini Kubota loader. Here's our hopper. It holds about 1.25 cords, like 4 pallets more or less, depending on how much you want to load it. It's chain driven with 81X chain, electric. I'll do a little video here of just pulling it ahead slightly. I can't go very far, the wood's going to start going on the ground. So a laborer stands here, picks the wood off this pallet, or hopper, sorry, and piles it in this jig, which is in turn hooked to a shrink wrap machine. And at that point he bundles it and wraps it with a net material. And then once the pallet's done, she goes outside with the forklift, and then we load the trailer with the forklift as well. So we also do home delivery, obviously, with the big trucks, and we do pallet wood, which there you'll see some of the 1/3 pallets. We do approximately 5,000 full cords of wood between the pallets and the home delivery. Some years a little more, some years a little less. It may be a little bit less this year as we're only actually running 1 processor. Last year we ran 2, so we switched things up a little bit. So, but all this operation didn't happen overnight. This is 35 years in the making. We started selling firewood with a little handheld splitter and old 1-ton trucks back in the 80s, and it grew and grew and grew until at this point. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.